Hey everyone, it's Susie here. How are you? Oh my goodness, we have woke up in a winter wonderland. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Winter is here and I can't lie, it's got me in my Christmassy feels. So we're starting off today with Barney, my dog, and we're going on a nice little winter walk together, and I thought this video could be the first video in my Vlogmas series. Sit down, grab a hot beverage and get into the Christmas spirit with me, because in this video we're going to be decorating for Christmas. I can't believe December's here already, and I can't believe how quick this year has gone. I feel like 2024 has been the quickest year of my entire life. I feel like it just flashed before my eyes. So I really do want to soak up December, and it's going to be lovely as well to put out lots of festive content and yeah, just celebrate the end of the year together. The fact that we've got snow so early is actually lovely, and I can't lie, even if it lasts just for today, it's just so nice to look at and enjoy. I know I've already had a coffee this morning, but I've just had to make myself a hot tea because I'm still freezing from outside. So the plan for this morning is to basically get the house feeling festive. Oh, is there anything better than making your house feel Christmassy? Currently, as I'm filming, it's the end of November, but I guess you guys are seeing this in December. And yeah, when do you normally put up your Christmas things? Let me know in the comments. Do you do the whole 12 days of Christmas thing? Do you do it at the end of November like me? Let me know. Is your tree up? Are you feeling festive? Here we go then. Cue time lapse. Let's do this. What a dreamy, wintry, festive morning. I just feel like the house feels so much more cozy. You know, when you've got all your Christmas decks out, all the lights are on. It's just been so nice, and to have the snow outside in the backdrop, absolutely dreamy. I'm going to put my advent calendar underneath the tree. This year I have the Nespresso advent calendar again. I loved having this advent calendar for the last actually 3 years now. Just really nice waking up in the morning and making my morning coffee and letting the advent calendar decide what is on the coffee menu. Gorgeous packaging. Let's see if we can have a little peek inside just before we do open it. Dreamy packaging with this train going all the way along the outside, and the doors are here to open it. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, look when you open it. Wow. They've really upped the presentation game this year for sure. Look how cute that is. Absolutely can't wait to get going with the advent. So just like that, the living room is decorated for Christmas and it feels so cozy. I'm putting on some Christmas ambience music here just to finish off the scene, you know? I love searching for this on YouTube. It's such a vibe to have on in the background. And since it is us setting up for a whole new month in December, I thought it'd be really nice to sit down and take some time to set my intentions for the month ahead. You know, on the channel we love to do a plan with me at the start of the month. But today, to keep in line with our cozy feels vlog, well, I thought I'd keep this one really chill. I'm just gonna make a Pinterest board with all the vibes and all the goals of things I wanna work on in December. Maybe this is something you'd like to do too for the start of this month, making a vision board with lots of images to keep you inspired over December. I always like to spread out my goals in categories from health to career to finance to personal development. So there's a little bit of everything on here. But what stands out the most is things look pretty fun and pretty festive. I definitely want to make time to spend with my friends this month and make sure that I enjoy the festivities and plan activities along the month to really soak up December and enjoy everything that December has to offer. From Christmas markets to date nights to having fun with the people that I love. With this being my first year on YouTube too, I really wanted to give Vlogmas a go this year. So my challenge for Vlogmas is to upload 12 videos across the month. And you can expect uploads on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. And if you're brand new to the channel, welcome to Thirsty to Thrive. Here I post content on self-growth, living an active lifestyle, and all-round inspiration to help you thrive. And I hope that this content over Vlogmas will help you keep thriving in the Christmas festive period. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video and perhaps you too have got in the mood to get out your Christmas decorations and get started for the festive season. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you want to follow Vlogmas this year here on the channel, then you know what to do. Go ahead and press that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.